Hello everyone. So let's take a look at these questions. First of all, we have extensive exercise question 1. It says the hall measures 195 meters by 330 meters. Isabel wants to tile the floor with identical square tiles. So question 1 is asking us what is the length of the largest tiles you can use so that all the floor will be covered. Now, first of all, the key word here in this question is the square tiles, which means that all of the length and widths of these tiles, they must be the same. So in order to get the largest possible tile, we know that the length of the tile must be able to go into 195 as well as 330. So that's the reason why if I want to find the largest tile, actually I'm looking for the highest common factor of 195 and 330. Because that's going to be the largest number that goes into both of them. So what we can do here is to write 195 and 330 side by side and divide them by their common factors. So first of all, we've got a 5. So it's a 3 there and a 9 there. And then we've got a 6 there and a 6 there. And then we get a 3. So that's 13 and that's 22. So now we can see that 13 and 22 doesn't have any further common factors. So we are just taking 5 and 3. So the HCF is equal to 5 times 3, and that's equal to 15. Which means that the length of the largest tile is equal to 15 meters. All right, and for the second part of this question, what is the smallest number of tiles needed to cover the floor? So in order to have the smallest number of tiles, we need to use the largest tile possible, right? So it means that if you divide 195 by 15, obviously you're gonna get 13, right? And if you divide 330 by 15, obviously you're going to get 22. So it means that you need to lay 13 of the tiles across the width and 22 of the tiles across the length. So the smallest number of tiles needed to cover the floor is going to be 13 times 22, which is equal to 26 times 11. Such that you can apply the speed multiplication trick for 11. That's a 6. 2 and 6 adds up to 8. 2 is just a 2. So it is 286. All right. So the answer is 286.